Hello and welcome to this instructional video on the RØDE Link microphone set. These small yet powerful set of devices allow wireless lavalier microphones to be used up to 100 meters away from the camera, and the best thing about them is they're so easy to use. So in this video I will break down and explain how to use this brilliant bit of kit. So, the two key components to this equipment are the TX transmitter and the RX receiver. To start with, we'll talk about the RX receiver. This device has a 3.5mm jack on its side. This is so a male-to-male connector can be inserted into it and the camera, thus linking the RX to the camera. To link the RX to the TX, you must turn on both devices and make sure that they're on the same channel. This is extremely simple, just click the CH button on the top side of the RX until they both show the same number. Now attach the RX via its hot shoe mount to the top of your camera and tighten it up. The TX has a 3.5mm jack on its top side along with a display for its channel number. You can connect a microphone into this jack and then turn it on, making sure the channel number is the same as the one on the RX. Then the TX can be attached to the person using its belt clip on the back. The TX can be placed anywhere, a back pocket, a front pocket, a waistline, but it's pretty common practice to try and hide it so it doesn't distract the audience. Now you're ready to record. When using the RØDE Link, there is one specific feature that always stands out to me, and that is the distance between the receiver and the transmitter. So I'm going to test out the distance of the RØDE lav mic by going further down this street. I've got a straight line behind me, and the further back I get, the more distorted it should get, but I can prove how far the distance should go with it. So I'm going to keep walking, I'll check back up on you when I'm about halfway down. So at this range you should still hear my voice perfectly clear and normal. As we get further and further back though, obviously the range gets a bit more distorted. Normally it's pretty decent with these RØDE lav mics, so I'm going to stop talking now and keep walking back. So now checking up here, I'm about halfway from the camera to the preferred distance I want to test this mic at, and it should still sound pretty clean and clear and crisp. So I'm going to keep walking back and I'll check up on you when I get further down. Now at this range, the receiver might have a little issue connecting to the camera, but it should all still be good. When I don't face the camera with the receiver, it might get a little distorted, so that's why it's always good to keep it in the front pocket if you're at this distance. This is good for if you're doing public interviews and stuff like that and you don't want to be caught filming. So I'll continue walking. So now at this distance, you should start to hear little distortion, especially when I listen turn around. When I'm turning around, it should really break up the audio because of the distance. But as you can see, this is a superb distance. I'll take a picture on my phone so you can actually see how far away I am from the camera. A very zoomed in one. All the way up there. So this mic is perfect for those long range and up close interview styles. It amazes me every time that such a small piece of equipment can hold up and still work reliable and well. Now I've discussed how to set up the RØDE Link, I want to talk about the proper positioning of the RØDE Link microphone. Microphone positioning is key when using this kit. Here's an example of poor microphone positioning that I created.
Hiya, I'm Charlotte and I'm 22 and I'm from Grantham.
As you can see, the lav mic is placed on her collar. However, her long hair is obstructing it and causing excess noise to be picked up when she moves. Luckily, this is a simple fix. I just asked the subject to move her long hair over her shoulders to no longer obstruct the microphone.
Hi, I'm Charlotte, I'm 22 and I'm from Grantham.
As you can hear, the fuzz from the hair is now gone because there's nothing to obstruct the mic. In conclusion, the RØDE Lab mic has excellent range, is really easy and simple to set up and use, and produces brilliant sound quality. It's plug and play and can be used in more informal run and gun style formats or more formal planned out formats. Overall, I hope you found this video useful and thank you for watching.